Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by securing the car and removing the wheel so you can see the shock assembly. Once done, probe seals and piston rod for oil and scoring. Leaks mean core damage. Loosen top and bottom mounts while the shock is supported so springs don't unload unpredictably. Apply penetrating oil to fasteners and let sit. You'll need a spring compressor if it's a strut. Make sure to follow torque specs later to keep alignment and safety intact. Once the spring is compressed, remove the top nut and take the strut apart methodically, keeping parts organized. You want to inspect the piston rod for straightness and nicks and look at the seal seat for wear. Small scored rods can sometimes be polished, but deep damage is fatal to restoration. Check the oil for metal particles and viscosity. Contaminated or aerated oil degrades damping. Measure travel and resistance. If valving and body are intact, you can proceed to rebuild the internals. You rebuild by installing new seals and bushings, using OEM equivalent oil and ensuring no trapped air. Bleed or cycle the piston until consistent resistance is felt. Reassemble the strut with the spring compressor still engaged, torque top nut to spec, then slowly release the compressor to seat the spring. Once reinstalled, torque mounts and lower the vehicle. You must road test for controlled rebound and compression. If you hear clunks or see uneven damping, stop and recheck mounts, or consider replacement as the final troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.